How to take a photo with FaceApp. First of all, open the FaceApp application on your device. Once the app loads, you will be on the main screen where you can either choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one using your camera. To take a new photo, tap on the camera icon or the camera option visible on the main screen. This will open your device camera directly within the FaceApp interface. Make sure you allow the app to access your camera if prompted. Position your face properly within the frame. Try to make sure your face is well lit and centered for the best results. Then tap the capture button at the bottom to take the photo. After capturing the image, FaceApp will automatically process it and load it into the editing area. From here, you can choose from various filters and tools like smile, ease, makeup, hair color, and more to apply different effects instantly. If you are satisfied with your result, you can save the edited image by tapping the save icon at the top right corner. Now you know how to take a photo with FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.